your lunchbox behind. Bite into giant, juicy stacks of hamburger heaven on a big yellow bus where school rules.
Is that not crazy? All of your kitchens are really a school bus.
Yeah, no, I mean, if we're gonna name ourselves Bernie's Burger Bus, we've got to continue with the theme.
What'd you have?
The substitute? I had the substitute.
There's no substitute for these meaty mouthfuls, like the fire drill, piled high with melty pepper jack cheese, salsa verde, and spicy guacamole, topped with tortilla chips to add the perfect crispy crunch. No semester would be complete without a homeroom. At Bernie's, this flavor feast starts with a decadent combination of cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, terrific tipsy onions, and an unctuous fried egg.
I love it. Everything's amazing. It's so good.
Bernie's Burger Bus started out as a food truck right here in Houston.
It happened. I came up with the idea, slept, woke up and said I'm gonna do it.
But soon, the bus was brought inside when he opened his brick-and-mortar locations some 6 years ago. Before he was a burger boss, Justin was a personal chef for former Houston Rocket Shane Battier.
Shane still keeps in touch with you and still eats here, right?
He will be eating here shortly.
When he's in town.
Yeah, always.
Another mentor, Justin's grandfather, Bernie, a Chicago business owner.
Until I was 11 years old, I thought his name was Jack. And once I found out his name was Bernie, and I'd heard the story, my grandmother told me it was named after her dad. I said I was going to name my first business after him.
The beef is Justin's own special mix. Chuck and brisket, ground fresh in-house every day. The condiments are also made from scratch, fresh every day, including saucy ketchup, spicy mustard, and crispy pickles. Also made in-house, their special recipe mushrooms and over-the-top onion jam.
We use a combination of burgundy mushrooms, which we make with some really good burgundy wine, and tipsy onions. Slowly caramelize, and we add Jack Daniels to those.
These you guys make here from scratch.
Get every day.
And here, you want to get Detention, a burger created for a customer who said Justin just didn't make his burgers big enough.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Tell me again about what all's on here.
So it's 2 bacon grilled cheeses, those awesome tipsy onions, 2 patties, homemade mustard, homemade ketchup, homemade pickles.
This is a manly burger.
Yeah, it's a very manly
No way
burger.
I could finish this. That is awesome, but I want to try.
Oh my God, this looks good.
There's more than bodacious burgers on this menu.
We take a lot of pride in our potatoes.
All their fries are hand cut. You'll give them straight A's for these honor roll fries, piled high with a mountain of smoky barbecue brisket, crispy bacon, and perfectly melted cheddar, all blanketed in a mouth-watering barbecue sauce.
So then we got the other ones with the Parmesan, and they're my favorite.
So this is hot off the grill.
Hot off the grill.
And we're going to put the magic together, right?
Yep, you and me. So you're going to help me build this burger.
Okay.
Okay. I am going to put a little bit of sauce on both sides of the bun here.
Then comes the lettuce, Bernie's special roasted tomatoes, and some crispy jalapenos, all to give this burger the kind of kick you'd expect with a name like the cheerleader.
Do you bite? You take a bite all in one?
You gotta take a bite. Yeah, you gotta take a bite all in one.
People really don't just cut it in half.
Well, you know, amateurs.
Okay.
They call them
We're not
amateurs.
going to fall into that category.
All right.
Not at Bernie's.
Not at Bernie's.
Oh man, look how juicy. I love the jalapeno kick.
It's clear Justin and his team at Bernie's Burger Bus are doing things right.
We're from San Antonio, and we heard about this place, and we made it a for sure stop on our list to come over here, and it was worth it.
Tangible stuff, watching people break bread and create a special moment, that's awesome.